So this is a video test. This is the front-facing camera of my iPhone. Uh, Good morning. It is Wednesday, 9:20, and I haven't decided if this is where I'm going to fix it. You could see the background here needs some tuning, but I'm just testing what the iPhone can do. So, sadly, I won't get any shallow depth of field or anything like that. But it's at eye level, and that's it. This is just a test to see if this would work. So this is iPhone 12 mini using the front-facing camera. It's 1280 by 720, I think, which is 1080p. And that's it. I got to clean up some of the background for sure, which gives me an excuse to clean the garage. But this is the shot using a mixture of the overhead lights and one door open over here and one giant door open over here. And that's it. That's it for the test.